First, click on Text and add a heading. Select All and type U. Change your text size to 113 pixels. Duplicate the text. Click on Element and add a square shape. Click on Position, then Layer, and drag the shape to the top. Now, make the width equal to the letter width. Zoom your page and adjust the width to give a sharp finish. Duplicate the shape. Select Shape, click on Position, then Arrange, and change the height of the shape. Adjust its position. And rotate the second shape to 90 degrees. Adjust its height to make it equal to the letter. Change the color of shapes to black. Select all elements and group them. Click on Position, rotate it to -90 degrees, and place it in the center. Click on Element tab and type Crown. Select a crown shape and place it on the top of the design. Adjust its position. Click on Text and add a heading. Type your brand name and change the font style to Horizon. Duplicate the text, change its font to Poppins, and change the font size to 15. Now type your tagline. Change the crown to golden color. Change the brand name to golden color. And now change the letter color to green. Make the tagline also green. Select all elements and group them. Click on Position and make it center. Now download this design with a transparent background in PNG format. Go to google.com and type photop.com. Click on the template and choose a template. Double-click on Your Logo Here layer. Click on the eye to hide it. Now, drag your design to the page. Click on File, then Save Smart Object. Export the file as PNG. Click on Save to download your logo. Your Monogram 3D logo is ready. Let's see the result. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.